YouTube Partners Program. How much do they really pay? Hey, what's up YouTube family, it's Webtech Guide here, and today I'm going to be showing you what I know that most of you are really curious about, which is how much does a small YouTuber really make? If you have ever wondered what the payout looks for someone with just under 3,000 subscribers, then stick around because I'm sharing all the details, and trust me, the numbers might surprise you. So before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I'm going to share you some few tips and some things that I have learned since I've started YouTube. Let's get right into it. I created this channel a long time ago, around December 2, 2021, but my first video was published a year ago. That is around that was last year, around this time last year. So I published my first video around this time last year. So let me just check when I published my first video on YouTube. Okay, this was September 4, 2022, which means it's almost going to 2 years. So September 4, 2022, and this is 2024. So let's say 2 years, and I've posted some couple of videos, but I was not consistent on this channel because of many copyright strikes that I received. And I just want to share a tip with you guys that I just starting out. If you want to make any video, always avoid the videos that are talking about specific brands like Canva. For example, some of my videos on Canva, when I talked about how to get Canva Pro using a student's email, got a copyright strike, and another video about how to get free stock images also got strike. If you are going to start your own channel, make sure you avoid all these things as much as you can, because it's going to kill your channel. And once your channel receives a copyright strike, you have to wait for like, I think, 90 days for the strike to be removed. So for me, I received 2 strikes at once, a time like that, and then I stopped posting for a very long time. So, and then when the strike was over, I was happy. I started posting again, and then I received another strike. So that was when I actually stopped publishing some videos on how to get free this, how to get free that. And now I am still on a strike, a copyright strike. So that is one thing that I just want you to avoid as much as you can. But this is not my only channel. I have about 3 faceless AI automation channel that have been monetized. But for this particular one, with less than 3,000 subscribers and just 49 videos, I'm going to show you how much YouTube is paying me. But before we continue, I just want to walk you through what YouTube Partner Program is all about. This particular page shows more insight about it. You can just visit this page and then read more about it, and also you can watch this video. And basically, YouTube Partner Program is just a way to assist content creators to make money or to monetize their channel. And there are several methods that you can make money from YouTube Partner Program. The first one is the advertising revenue, then the shopping, then the YouTube premium revenue. I think I get most of my earnings from the advertising revenue and the premium revenue. And many other channels have been making a whole lot of money using these channel memberships. That is, if you want to build a community and then you want people to pay a token to join your community, and then you're going to make some videos exclusive to only your community members. As you can see, each feature has its own eligibility requirements. And for this advertising revenue and I think advertising revenue, I'm not sure about the others. It is you need to have a minimum of 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. And then there's another one that is, I think, 3,000 watch hour and then 5,000 subscribers. And if you want to check your total watch hour, this is how you can check it. Just go to this analytics, and then you are going to see how much watch hour. Then change this to lifetime. You're going to see how much watch hour your channel has gotten. For me, it is 12.7 thousand watch hour. So once it got to 4,000 watch hour, then go right to this end right here, and this is where you will be able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And then you can set everything up. You can see this is the membership. I've not set it up. This is the super shopping, but the only thing I'm just working with is the ads, this watch paid ads. You can also set up the short feed ad also. Now let me show you how much YouTube paid me for my videos. Let me go back to the analytics. And the last 20 days I have received $47 from YouTube with 11.3k views. So which means that if I had published a video that have 11,000 views, I would have gotten $47 from that single video. And the major cause of this is because I have not been posting consistently because of a lot of copyright strike I've been getting. And like I said earlier, I've posted a total of 49 videos, and then all those 49 videos I've gotten, let me show you how much I've made for lifetime. So I've earned $913 US from just 49 videos, and with a total of 362,000 views. And you know, many of these big YouTube content creators are really making a lot of fortune from YouTube, because many of them get about 1 million views from a single video, which is 100% possible for new channels. And let's say I've gotten 1 million views so far, my total earnings would have been 2,700 USD. And let me show you how much YouTube pays me every month. Let me go to revenue. So this is going to show the full chart, and you can see for the last 6 months. Well, I'm trying to understand these charts. Okay, let me just show you from here. So for March, I think March has one of the highest earnings I've gotten so far. For March, I've gotten 156. April, then it started reducing. Then my channel got a copyright strike around this June, so I had to delete some videos. And then when I deleted those videos, and then I started posting, the earnings reduced by July to 52, and then this August too, it has reduced. So but I will just continue making videos, more videos on these channels, and hopefully my earnings will be back up. And let me show you my daily earnings also. My daily earnings, my highest daily earnings is around $12 or so, and that was June. And then the earnings, the highest was $11.57. That was the highest, and the lowest was around maybe 0.1 or so, because when I just got started, when I just got monetized, my earnings were like 0.1, 0.3. And then let me try to show you. My lowest earnings so far was when I just got monetized, and then the first month was 9.44. Then second month we have 13. Sorry, the third month actually we have the 13.5 in September, November, then December 18. So then from this March right here, 56, and then so we have it like that. But in making more money on YouTube, your audience also matters. My audience compared to my other channel that have a very high CPM, this one have a very low CPM. And one of my faceless YouTube channel, for 1,000 views, I always got about $6 to $7 for 1,000 views. While on this one, I always get about $1 or $2. So the difference because of my audience. Now most of my audience are from, let me say the country, yeah, India, then United States, then Nigeria. But on that channel, most of my audience are from United States, and that was why the CPM is very high. And according to a research I made recently, you can also get a very high CPM from older people. And one question I ask myself is that, okay, this YouTube is stress and everything, is it really worth it? I would say yes, because I don't really put too much effort on this channel like the others. And then I was amazed by the total amount I've earned on this YouTube channel so far. So the effort is totally worth it. And I just want you to stay tuned and wait for some videos I'm going to be publishing on this channel. And trust me, they are going to be very mind-blowing. I forgot to mention that copyright strike can also demonetize your channel. Yeah, your channel can be demonetized. My channel have not been demonetized before, but I've heard several examples. I've checked online. Many people's channels have been demonetized. So you should also try to watch some videos about why channels are getting demonetized, and then just make sure you don't break any of those rules on your channel. So there we have it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe once again to this YouTube channel And also don't forget to like this video if this video has helped you so far. So see you in the next video.